stop burning money with your video ads. My name is Tracy Reuter and I'm the CEO and founder of Divine Social. And this is the channel for you to learn all about Instagram and Facebook advertising and everything that can help you maximize your social ads. So in this video, I want to talk to you about why you need to stop burning money on your video advertising. Now, you may not be, but this is more of a public service announcement for those who either are or might start doing video ads and don't even think about this. Now, video has continued to be incredibly hot, and we use it across all of our clients' campaigns, and we use it in different stages, and in some clients we use them in all the stages: top of funnel, middle of funnel, bottom of funnel, creating audiences, building up engagement, and getting conversions for their business. And that's our 3-pillar approach. And so we use video in all of the stages and all of the areas, and in some clients we use it more than others. Now, the one thing, and the reason we do that is because video continues to be very, very effective. Now, one thing I see happen quite a bit, and this is where you're burning your money, and this has to do with the way the video is played in the newsfeed, whether it's on mobile or desktop. You see, over 85% of videos are watched with the sound off. Think about your own video watching habits. Do you watch all videos with the sound on? Have you ever been maybe you're laying in bed at night and your significant other's trying to sleep, or you're commuting to work, or there's places that maybe it's just not convenient for you to have the sound playing? So you probably can understand why 85% of all video is watched with the sound off. Well, if you're gonna run a video ad and you know that, and you run that ad without captions, you are burning dollar bills or euros or wherever it is that you live that you might be watching this. So it's so important that if you're ever going to run a video campaign, at the very minimum, you make sure that you have caption files. You want to make sure that you have SRT files. And we use there's a great company we use called rev.com. We don't have an affiliate link, but we use it with all of our clients. It's a very, very inexpensive and easy way to do things. Now, the other thing that you can do is, if you don't want to do caption files, then you need to make sure that you use some text overlay in your ad. But you want to make sure that whatever you do, that the video that you're using can convey the message to your watcher, whether they have the sound on or not. Now, that opens up a whole other can of worms, because that essentially means you could actually be running a video that has no sound and has no words, and that's totally fine. You can run that if it's, let's say it's a demonstration video. We have a client in the arts and crafts space that we run, actually, we've got one video we've been running for them for a very long time that has no sound. It's just a product demonstration, and it's incredibly, incredibly effective, because what the client needs to convey to the viewer can be conveyed without sound. Now, if there was words, if there was something important in that, we would make sure to either have text overlay, or we would use an SRT file from rev.com. So if you're gonna do video on any of the platforms, whether it's organic or if it's paid, you wanna make sure that you maximize the effectiveness of your video by using captions, by using text overlay, by making sure you're thinking about the fact that 85% of the people that are gonna see your video are gonna watch it with the sound off. In fact, you might be watching this video with the sound off, and you should be seeing captions. All right, so just here to make sure you have success in all that you do, stop burning your dollars with your video ads. Start making sure that you have captions or text overlay, or that your video can tell the story without any sound on, because odds are people watching it are not using the sound. My name is Tracy Reuter. The best is yet to come, and we will see you next week.